A really great feature that comes with MarketerLIVE is the built-in integration with Snap, or Social Network Auto Poster. It takes just a few minutes to configure, and from there you'll be able to post simultaneously to all of your social media anything that you would post here within the site. So any blogs or any push notifications or the like. So we'll go down here to Social Auto Post under Marketing. So Social Auto Post. And we're going to be taken into a page where you can add new accounts. So we can do tests where we auto-publish to MailChimp or auto-publish to various accounts. If you check this checkbox, your post will be auto-posted by that network by default, and it will not be if it's unchecked. The radio button filters mean that the post will be posted or not auto-posted depending on the filters. So let's just add a new account. And let's start with one of the most popular ones. Let's go with Facebook. So you can create a nickname if it's easy to identify or not. And it's best to have this prepared, but what I recommend is having all of your social media links in a document so you can just copy and paste. So here you go with your MarketerLIVE. That's my Facebook group. The only time you really would need to input the app ID in secret is if you're a developer with an app on Facebook. So you can leave that blank and just move on. Check the message format here. This is how it's going to show the new post with the title has been published on this one. And you can obviously change that, but those are the tags. So choose if it's a text post, an image post, or a text with an attached link. So it really just depends. If you're really interested in your images being first and foremost, maybe it's different if you're dealing with more written and literary content. So update your settings. We can do this one more time just to demonstrate the Twitter. So look at all these options. This is great, but we'll go Twitter here. And this is my Twitter URL. If you need to find out your API key or API secret, your access token or secret token, there's instructions for that as well. So let's update the settings. And we're done. If you want to check out the settings for Snap, click on the settings and you can limit how many you do, or any of these options to skip the post past the daily limit or schedule for tomorrow. Really just depends on how active you are and what kind of content you want to be pushing out there. There's options for categorizing the interface. We keep it plain because even here it says, please don't confuse me, just show the plain list. And then you can show how the list of networks is on the post page. So pretty straightforward. Take a minute to check it out. And you can always refer to Snap videos if you have any questions, or our help desk if you have questions as well. Here we have the URL shorteners, so we can always force shortened links. I think that's usually pretty standard and nice for everybody who's using Twitter or different. And you can also enable a comment import. So if people commented on other social networks, you can actually bring them in onto your post, which is kind of amazing, so that you just get to pull the best from everywhere, and you can review how to moderate your comments in the section on that. So just reviewing all the other things: replace spaces and hashtags with nothing, separate hashtags with comma and space. This is all just stuff that you can think about in the future. You don't have to go through all this immediately, but it is just nice to know that it's there. This is your log history, and it will show you everything that happened. The auto post requested. If you ever need help for setup or configurations, this is a great place to go. So for example, if you were looking for that API with Twitter, just click on here and they will help you do it. Really love Social Network Auto Poster, and it is a super secure, totally loaded way to get your messages out there with the least amount of effort.